Parmaras of Malwa. The Parmaras, one of the four Agni Kul Rajputs, ruled from Dhar in Malwa from 9th century till Malwa was usurped by the Khilji tyrant Alauddin Khilji in 1305. This dynasty must be noted for its Raja Bhoj of Dhar, the philosopher king and a polymath of the central India. He ascended the throne of Dhar in around 1000 AD and reigned gloriously for more than 45 years. Though his path was similar to other Rajas, indulging in wasteful struggles with the neighbors, but still he is noted for contribution in literature as well as in strength. Now, polymath means a person of wide knowledge or learning. It is said that after plundering the Somnath, Mahmud Ghaznavi returned via Thar desert instead of central India route due to the fear of Bhoj's organized army. He was defeated and destroyed by a tripartite alliance of Chalukya, Rashtrakutas and Kachachawahas, Kachchawahas. After his death, Parmaras were reduced to a local power until they were wiped out by Akbar in 1569. Many works on astronomy, architecture, poetry, mathematics are attributed to Bhoj. Many scholars compare Bhoj with Samudragupta. Some important works of Bhoj are as follows. First, Saraswati Kanta Bharna, Saraswati a treatise on Sanskrit grammar. Second is Raj Martanda, Rajmartanda, a major commentary on Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. Third is Samar Rangana Sutradhar, Samarangana, then Sutradhara, Samar Rangana Sutradhar, a treatise on civil engineering. Then the fourth is Tattva Prakash, Tattvaprakash, a treatise on Tantras. Then next is Rasara Jamriganka, Rasarajamrigank, a treatise on chemistry, ores and drugs. Then, so that means a treatise on Sanskrit grammar, a major commentary on Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, a treatise on Tantras, a treatise on civil engineering, and a treatise on chemistry, ores and drugs. The Bhojeshwar temple at Bhojpur near Bhopal was started by him, but it remained incomplete. The Bhojpur lake, a beautiful water body near Bhopal, was built during his time by massive embankment closing the outlets in a circle of mountains was one of the greatest work of Raja Bhoj. The dam was later destroyed by Hoshang Shah. Now Solankis of Gujarat. Solankis ruled from Anhilwara, modern Siddhpur Patan. They were patrons of Somnath temple. One chief named Mool Raja, who reigned from 942 to 996 AD, established the dynasty. The Mool Raja period is known as beginning of the Gujarati culture, language and script. Raja Bhoj of Dhar overshadowed the successors of Mool Raj, and they were reduced to vassals of the Malwa kingdom. One important ruler of this dynasty was Bhimdev I, who reigned from 1022 AD to AD 1063. He was a vassal of the Malwa king Bhoj. When Mahmud Ghaznavi attacked Somnath, he fled and took shelter in Kutch. It was Raja Bhoj that chased Mahmud, and Mahmud returned via the Thar deserts. When Raja Bhoj died, Bhimdev declared himself independent. Karnadev succeeded Bhimdev. All other successors were less important. The Solanki dynasty lost control over Gujarat in 1243, and in 1297, the Delhi Sultanate conquered Gujarat. The Pala Empire. Palas were the most important empire builders in Eastern India and in early medieval India. In early medieval India, these people were pious Buddhists. The founder of this dynasty was Gopal, who incidentally was also the first Buddhist king of Bengal. He was able to subdue Bengal and most parts of Bihar. He constructed a monastery at the Odantapuri in Bihar. Gopal's son Dharmapal from 770 AD to 810 AD became the most dominant power in the northern and eastern India. He altogether fought with Gurjar Pratiharas, Rashtrakutas and Chalukyas. After an initial career full of defeats, including a humiliating defeats in the hand of Nagbhatta II, he was able to win the entire Bihar and Bengal. The kings of Kannauj, Madra, Kamboj, parts of Rajputana were his vassals. Dharmapala was a pious Buddhist king and is best known for establishing the Vikramshila University. The Vikramshila University is located at Kehelgaon, near Bhagalpur in Bihar. Dharmapala had also built a vihara at Somapuri, another at Paharpur, and yet another vihara at Odantapuri. The 5 places viz Nalanda, Vikramshila, Somapuri, Paharpur and Odantapuri are called 5 Mahaviharas. Bakhtiyar Khilji destroyed Vikramshila University in 1200 AD. Somapura Mahavihara is now located in Bangladesh. It is one of the best known Mahaviharas of Buddhism in Indian subcontinent and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Atisa Dipankara was a Buddhist scholar during the Pala dynasty and was a scholar at Vikramshila University. He established the Sarma lineages of the Buddhism with Konchog, Gyalpo and Marpa Lotsawa. The most important work of Atisa is Buddhi Patha Pradipa. Apart from this, around 79 extant compositions on Buddhism are ascribed to Atisa. Charyapada is a collection of Buddhist poems composed most probably during the Pala dynasty. However, there are various controversies on the origin. These mystic poems are from Tantric tradition. The writers of Charyapada are called Mahasiddhas and they were from Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. Charyapada is the earliest example of the Bengal poetry in Bengali literature. The successor of Dharmapala was Devapala, who conquered the Kamarupa, Pragjyotisha, Assam and Utkal, Odisha. There are evidences that Devapala procured horses from the Kamboj, Kabul, for his army. During his time, Pala Empire emerged as one of the greatest empire, but his successors were inefficient and lost many territories. The last notable Pala king was Mahipal, who was 9th in order from Gopal. He is the second founder of Pala dynasty, able to recover the lost territories of his predecessors. The last notable king, Pala king, was Mahipal, who was 9th in order from Gopal. He is the second founder of the Pala dynasty, able to recover the lost territories of his predecessors. Mahipal's 50-year reign was peaceful, except some defeats from Cholas. In the evening of his life, he turned religious and did some excellent social works. None of the successors of Mahipal was a significant ruler. The Pala Empire got disintegrated and finally swept away by the torrents of the Mohammedan invasions. Sandhyakar Nandi was the composer of the great epic poem in Sanskrit named Ramacharitam during the Pala Empire. The Sena dynasty. Around the time of Mahipala's death in around 1043 AD, a vassal of the Palas named Hemanta Sen founded the Sena dynasty. Vijay Sena 1097 to 1160 is called as real founder of the Sena dynasty. He was able to snatch away parts of Rahar region of Bengal, RARH region of Bengal from the Palas and some parts of Gauda kingdom from the Assam regions. His son Balala Sen 1160 to 1178 induced the social reforms in the Bengal known as Kulinism, Kulinism. Parmaras